Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Are you looking for an affordable family home or an attractive income earner that can yield consistent returns? That's where this beautiful property comes in. The Keystone community in St. Catherine is comparable to many neighborhoods in Kingston 6 and Kingston 8 areas, with gorgeous landscaping, beautiful homes, abundant yard space, and a cool, quiet residential feel. This house has 6 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, 3 kitchens, 2 living rooms, and more bonus spaces than you can imagine. Sitting on 0.25 acres, this is a gem in plain sight. This property has several move-in ready spaces, though some may need a little TLC. It is already set up to be divided in 3 sections with 3 separate electricity meters. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 32 million or US $207,900. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.